We are here at Hallmark. Go. Oh my. Jay. Hi, how are you? Ooh, what's that?
So we have this one.
What is this?
Yes! Yes!
You cracked me up. Look at these big dumplings and the butter squishies.
There's butter squishies.
Look down. Look down.
This is foam though. This is foam.
Oh man.
Can I get this?
Yeah.
Wait, what is that?
Did you see the big dumplings? They're huge.
Can we get that? The dumpling? Oh yes! Oh, oh yes! Blake! Oh my god! This is my favorite day ever.
Oh my god. You guys are hilarious. He's crashing out.
Thank you, God.
Thank you, God. Well, no, thank you, Mom, for driving me
Thanks,
here.
Mom, too.
And I think I'm gonna buy them too.
Yes.
Sorry. Both?
Yeah.
How much? $34 each.
So,
That would be $70.
bro, what?
Yeah.
Can we get this at least? Oh, actually, I want the pink one.
Yeah, sure.
I want a
You like that butter?
Huh?
You like the butter? She's like, huh? Look, a duck.
Mom, this is very rare. This is very rare. This is very rare. It's very rare. It's like, yes!
Jeez.
Thanks, Mom.
No, wait, hold on. You have to pick one.
I can't.
That is probably like $200 worth of stuff.
And also this. Also both of these.
No.
Yeah. No, Blake.
You guys are absolutely crazy with these.
No, this is enough, Blake. Yes. No. And also this stuff. Two big dumplings that are cost $70. Oh wait. How about Mom? Why don't we get 2 big ones and 5 little ones?
Yeah, no, thank you. They're
Okay.
$34.99.
Okay, then we're just getting the big ones.
Oh my god, he's so excited. And Emma's just here.
Mom,
What?
it's my favorite day ever.
Oh my god. What about these gummies? Oh, wait, you already have the gummy bears.
Yeah, I got. Oh wait, the big ball.
Oh my god, you're so funny. Hi. Hi.
Hold on, I want to do this one. No, I think I have enough though.
Alright, well, it says that,
No
well,
returns.
that's not NeeDohs. Alright, you're gonna have to see how much they are, and you have to really figure out which ones you want. Because that's a lot.
Do not eat it. Bro, who's eating it?
I don't know.
Nobody's eating that. Mom,
Here, stay with your sister.
watch me get the golden one.
I'm not buying that for $34.99. He's testing them out, y'all. He can barely breathe here. Let me show this thing. Okay, that one's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, feel this one too?
Don't like it.
Feel this one.
Don't like it.
No, that's good. But like in the inside, this is
I don't like that one either. I only like the cheese.
no, but these are really good. But like actually, if you know, like feel this one,
That one's okay. I kind of like that.
and then
But definitely my favorite one is the cheese.
oh, feel this one.
That's nice. But those are not real NeeDohs, right?
I don't care. These are the better than NeeDohs.
Oh my gosh. Look, they even have mini dumplings.
Love
They have mini ones. You want a mini one?
to die.
Yeah.
I love to die. Yes.
Jace, chill.
Overreacting. Oh yeah.
Oh my god. This is crazy. Alright, Jace.
I don't want this one though. Oh, let me feel this one. Feel this one. Look, guys. No, I want the viewers to feel it.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
I don't like that one.
That one's not good though.
You want that one? Okay, wait, we'll buy it for you, baby girl.
Yes.
Oh
This
my
too.
gosh. No, I'm not buying that. Yeah, alright, Jay. Pick one.
I'm not picking one. I paid all.
You should ask how much they are each. And I'll spend $50 on you.
But on me. I got good grades.
You got a D. He got straight A's. Oh, yeah, you can't say anything. Oh, yeah, we'll get it.
Thank you.
Can I get this at least?
Yes.
Ah!
All right, Jace. All right.
Wait, Mom, I need something else.
You do?
No,
I don't think I want this one though.
Okay,
Oh,
good.
can I get
We're
that?
getting rid of one.
Okay. This one isn't the bomb.
Okay, keep going. All right. He's so happy. I've never seen him this happy, guys.
Can I at least get 2?
How much are they?
I don't know.
Okay, well, why don't you find out? Oh my gosh.
This is $30.
This one's 30?
This one?
This one's like not that good, I promise.
No, it is.
This
though.
one's really good.
This one, it doesn't say. This one. Does it say? I don't think so.
We'll get the cheese one no matter what. Don't worry about the price. I'm not getting a big dumpling. That's $35.
These are the only ones I want.
Wait. Wait a second.
Doesn't even feel fun.
Is this a squishy? Or is it like a squishmallow? Mom,
Yeah, we'll get
Do
it.
it.
We'll get it. We have to open it though. We gotta buy it first, okay?
I can't feel it. I need to feel it.
Ask them if you can test it.
Can I test feel it?
Oh my gosh, they're so funny.
I wonder what color this one's gonna be.
I don't know. Uh-oh. Here, Emma.
Mom,
What do you think, Jay?
I want this one for sure.
Okay.
These two, and then yes for this, and then I don't know about this one though.
Yeah.
And I want these 3 and that.
Okay.
That dumpling, the dumplings we have had at the house, you guys have just let like go really bad, and then they get really dusty and sticky and gross. They're not worth it. I promise.
This one is sand, Mom. This is sand.
Sand?
Yeah, I don't really like
Okay.
it.
All right. They're gonna decide which one we're gonna get, and then I'll show you guys
At
when we
least
get
just
in the
get
car.
these 3. At least.
Maybe.
Oh, look.
What? He's having a really tough time here, guys, trying to find one.
Emma, can I feel that? Emma.
Emma wants it.
Emma, let me feel it, okay? But you would get that one for Emma, though.
Yeah, we'll get it for Emma, so you guys can share that
This
one.
one is really good. I swear. Feel it? Feel it? That's really good.
Yeah, that is good. So why don't we get the cheese and the gummy, and then we can get the banana another time. Aren't there a bunch? How many are there?
There's a lot, but like, this is like a one-time thing. You would never find those anywhere.
Okay, we'll find it. We'll buy it. All right, let's go. Come on, guys, let's buy them.
Yay! I love today. I love today.
Oh, are these new?
I've heard
I
like,
don't know, but I've been getting phone calls about that if we have them in stock.
Oh, really?
yeah.
I mean, they do feel pretty
A
cool.
lot of people like them, but like,
All right,
Yeah.
maybe these are the next best thing, huh? Here you go. Are you happy, bud?
yes.
Aw.
Hallmark is the place. Because like, all you have to do, like, it was gonna be 90, but we got 60, got 20% off, just because my mom putting in her email.
Yep. So you guys gotta check out Hallmark if you want to get NeeDohs.
Yeah. We came here empty-handed, and then we came here handed.